In this video, I'm going to teach you how to handle customer overpayments in QuickBooks Online. First, make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online and you're on the main dashboard. To start, click on Customers and Leads. This takes you into the sales area where you manage your customer relationships and transactions. Next, go to the Customers tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your customers along with their open balances. The open balance reflects what each customer currently owes, or what you owe them. As you review the list, pay attention to any customers showing a negative amount in the open balance column. A negative open balance means the customer has overpaid. In other words, the system is telling you that you owe that amount back to the customer, or that you can hold it as a credit toward future activity. You have two straightforward ways to handle an overpayment in QuickBooks Online. You can either issue a refund check, or you can create a credit memo for the customer. Both options start from the same place. At the top left of your screen, click the New button. This is your main starting point for creating transactions. If you plan to return the money to the customer, select Check. This creates a refund check that records the outflow and ties it to the customer who overpaid. Choosing a check is a good option when the customer specifically requests a refund, or when you need to clear the overpayment right away. Once you select Check, make sure you choose the correct customer so the overpayment is properly associated and the negative balance is resolved. If you prefer to keep the amount on file for the customer to use later, select Create a Credit Memo. A credit memo records a credit on the customer's account that can be applied to future invoices. This is helpful when the customer regularly buys from you and would rather have the overpayment reduce what they'll owe next time. Choosing a credit memo also keeps your records clean by clearly indicating that the customer has a credit available. Either method will address the negative open balance you saw in the Customers tab. The key is to choose the option that matches your agreement with the customer and your internal policy. After you've selected either Check or Create a Credit Memo for the correct customer, QuickBooks will reflect the change on their account and the overpayment will no longer appear as a negative balance. That's all there is to it. Review your customer list regularly so you catch overpayments early and choose the approach that best supports your customer experience and accurate books.